conducting a walking tour of all the visual art projections that are happening down Dundas Street, Carling Street. So I need at least a few hundred of you to come with me. We're going to go march down Dundas and check out some of the beautiful art that's here. We've got Brian Eno installation. We've got artists from around the world projecting images onto buildings. It's going to be spectacular. So if you want to join me, we're going to be starting at that tree over there. That one over there I'm pointing to. About 5 minutes after the show, we're going to walk down. Hopefully you can be there. Ladies and gentlemen, come closer to the stage, please. I'm about to introduce our next performer. Right before the Constantines tonight, we're pleased to host Mr. Ghosty. Mr. Ghosty is an audiovisual artist who's created a projection work that's going to be viewed right here behind me. I want you to come up close. This is a brilliant artist that we're happy to have with us tonight. And then we've got the Constantines. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Lola. Give me a hand for Mr. Ghosty.